G'day guys, Melbourne Scrapper here. Let's talk recovery rates for Romex wire. I did a video on the copper recovery rate from copper degassing cables, and somebody suggested, hey, why don't you do some other wires? So here we go. This is like your Romex wire, typical kind of housing wire. It's not such a thick gauge. I don't know the gauge. What do I look like? A bloody electrician? I'm a scrapper. Leave me alone. Alright, so I stripped this guy and took out the copper. Now let's look at the weights. So my total weight was 66 grams. Hang with me, Americans, I can't do this in ounces. So it's 38 grams insulation and 28 grams of copper number 1. So you're looking at 28 grams to 66 grams, right? 28 grams of copper versus out of the total 66 grams. So that gives you a copper recovery rate 42.42%. So if you have a pound of this and you strip it, you're going to get 42% of a pound in copper number 1. Alright, so figure out your numbers to see if that's worth your time. Now, just the wiring, so that's just these wiring cables. I see a lot of people stripping them on YouTube. Now, again, this is not the thickest gauge. Here's an example, which I stripped. Using my wire stripper, I have 18 grams here. It's about an ounce, I think. 18 grams, 6 grams is insulation, 12 grams is copper number 1, so that's a higher recovery rate. So the 12 out of 18 is 2/3, 66.66% copper. So that could be worth your while. Again, my degaussing cables were over 80%, but that's a pretty good rate on your time. So if you get a pound, you're going to get 2/3 of a pound of copper. That's these guys. So think about that, give that a go, guys, and hope those numbers were helpful. Bye.